Let's add elephants to the list of things more artistically creative than me. We are at the elephant camp in Chiang Mai. We have seen elephants play soccer, we have seen elephants do curtsies, and now we are watching elephants paint. It seems like a really cool place. They seem to treat their elephants really well. I don't know, it's just a really positive vibe. It's quite a sight to behold. There's our little guy. You guys gotta come check it out. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Do it.